Today we're going to be replacing the cartridge that goes inside the single handle faucet. It's hard to see, but if I turn this different direction, it is all the way down. The only time that it will stay off is when it's turned all the way to hot. So the first thing we're going to do is go down and shut off the water supply. Now that we've got the water supply turned off, we're going to take the guts out. So first thing that we need to do is take this little cover off to get to the screw in there. Take the screw off. And we're going to take this little metal piece off. Remember which way it goes. That takes out this pin that holds it in. Now we can't just pull this out. It's been in there for so long that it's probably, stuck pretty good. So we're going to stick in this little piece that came with your replacement. And you're going to turn it a couple times. I'll get things worked out. Now we should be able to grab this and pull with some force, and it came out. So now we're going to put our replacement in. So we are going to push this right down in. And then we do need to line it up, the plastic, which looks pretty good right there. We want to line it up, put our cover back on, and that will tell us if it's going to stay within the range, hot and cold. And we're going to just tighten that back up. Put our cover back on, and we're going to go underneath and turn the water back on. We're going to loosen them up. And now let's check and see if it works. So we can see that it's working. Turn it off. It's not dripping. Over time, the dripping has caused it to green up. We'll have to get something to clean that up. So we're all set. No more dripping. I hope that helped, and good luck.